Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English, Intermediate 52. Health problems.
It's great. I was down there too. It's a beautiful area.
Yeah, it's beautiful, isn't it?
So how have you been lately anyway?
God, I tell you what, after all this travelling and stuff, I don't know, I'm a little sore.
Really? Are you all right? What's
My
wrong?
back, I've got a bad back. I've been a bit worried about it actually.
Oh, that's terrible.
Yeah, it's
How
not good.
how long has it been hurting?
Several weeks.
Today we're going to look at common adjectives that are generally followed by the same prepositions either about or for or from. So you'll be able to say sentences like these. I'm worried about my health. And smoking is bad for you. We're also going to look at how to compare things using different from and similar to.
Wow.
I don't know if you remember it, but I was in a car accident about 3 years ago.
No, I didn't know that.
Yeah, so I've had this problem I think ever since then. And anyway, the doctor's talking about surgery now.
Oh no, surgery.
Surgery.
But first we're going to watch a movie about Julie, who has back pain.
Are you all right?
I hope so. I've got back problems, and I want to try something different.
Well, I practice alternative medicine in town. There are many different options, like massage, acupuncture, and herbal remedies.
Great. I've got this terrible back pain, and I need something for it.
How long has your back been hurting you?
About 2 weeks. I got into a car accident 3 weeks ago and haven't fully recovered. My doctor said I need surgery.
Surgery? I've seen a lot of patients with back pain recover with acupuncture. How do you feel about Eastern medicine?
It's difficult for me to say. Eastern medicine is different from what I'm used to.
Yeah, most people are a little afraid of it at first, but I assure you, it's safe.
So, what can I do about my back pain? It's killing me.
Well, some herbal medicine should be good for the pain, and I can make an appointment with my back specialist if you'd like.
Yes, I'm willing to try anything before surgery. Do you have anything available this week?
Let me see.
Well, before you go into surgery, have you tried alternative medicines? Have you tried like Eastern medicine?
Well, like what's that?
Like acupuncture or herbal medicine?
No, I never even thought about that. It's so different from Western medicine. I never thought to even consider it.
It is, but it's really effective and it's safe too.
Julie sounds really desperate. Let's listen again to the prepositions she and Leah use.
How do you feel about Eastern medicine?
How do you feel about Eastern medicine? When we're describing how we are feeling in a situation, we often use about. Adjectives like excited, happy, worried or angry are often followed by about. Let's look at some more examples. Leah feels excited about using Eastern medicine. Julie is nervous about surgery. She's worried about her health. Let's look at another preposition. Look at these two clips from the movie.
It's difficult for me to say.
Well, some herbal medicine should be good for the pain.
It's difficult for me to say. Some herbal medicine should be good for the pain. We often use the preposition for with adjectives like good, bad, difficult, and easy. It's difficult for the doctor to diagnose the problem. Acupuncture is good for pain relief. We've just got time for one more preposition, and that's from. Listen to this.
Eastern medicine is different from what I'm used to.
Eastern medicine is different from what I'm used to. We use different from and similar to when we make comparisons. Eastern medicine is different from Western medicine. Leah's interests are similar to Julie's. They both like reading. Can you remember that? Different from and similar to.
last year I had back pains.
Really?
A really bad back pain in my lower back. And I went to a Chinese doctor and he gave me acupuncture and some teas to help me. And I tell you, after a few weeks, it was just gone.
Now it's your turn. Try to fill in the gap with the missing preposition. Good. How do you feel about Eastern medicine? Can you fill in the gap here? Right, well done. China is famous for acupuncture. Which preposition fits here? It's difficult for the doctor to diagnose the problem. And here? Great! Eastern medicine is really different from what I'm used to.
Within 2 weeks, it was great. I felt a lot better. It's really good for you. I think you should try it.
Oh my goodness, I never ever thought about doing that.
Well done! Today we've looked at the prepositions about, for and from. We've learnt that if we are talking about our feelings, we often use about. I'm worried about my back. We've also learnt that adjectives like good, bad, difficult and easy take the preposition for. And of course we've looked at different from and similar to. Eastern medicine is different from Western medicine. Well, that's all we've got time for. I hope you've enjoyed the lesson.
My goodness, I tell you what, I'll absolutely try anything. I'm so scared of the surgery. I just so don't want, who would in their right mind would want to have surgery?
Well, that's right. I think before you go to surgery, maybe try this, and I think it's really good for you. So try this, and then see if it works. If it doesn't, then as a last resort, you can do
I'd
surgery.
love that. What's his number?
I'll give it to you right now.
Cool.